Lessons in burping.
No, I don't know how to burp.
Do it.
I don't know how to burp.
Do it.
Dude, quit being a weirdo. Put the camera down.
It's not my camera, it's my phone.
Did you say me with the phone? There goes that video.
It'll be a great video.
It'd be a great video. You hitting me with the phone.
Didn't know who I am.
Hey, if I burp, can I blow your face?
No.
Like,
Are you gonna do like the burping tutorial?
oh, look, she's already off TV.
Alright, are you gonna do the burping tutorial?
No.
You're just like burping while you're like, no. Idiot.
Well, first, what you gotta do is you gotta swallow air, right? You hear it?
Yeah, I heard it.
And then you gotta blow it at the the director of the film. That's how you do it. That's how it's done.
So, lessons in burping 101. The end.